I'll guide you through how to change iCloud email address without losing your data or running into the challenge of not being able to change an Apple-provided address. If you're looking to update your account to a new professional email or you want to switch from an old domain to your preferred one and you need to change your Apple ID email address, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. When users want to change their Apple ID email, the number one question is always, will I lose my data? The answer is no. Your photos, contacts, and purchases are safe. Changing the email is just updating the username for your existing account. Before we dive into the steps, we need to cover one critical warning about which email you can change. If your current Apple ID ends in @iCloud.com, @me.com, or @mac.com, meaning it's an email provided by Apple, you cannot change it to a third-party email like a Gmail or Outlook address. But if your current ID is a third-party email, you can change it. Now, let's update your primary email on your iPhone. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on your name at the very top to access your Apple account settings. From here, tap Sign In and Security. This displays all the emails and numbers currently tied to your account for communication. Tap the edit beside it to make changes. Now you can see the minus icon next to your current emails. Tap the minus button next to the email you want to replace, and then select Remove from Account. This action will free up that address, allowing you to link a new one. To add a new email, select Add an email address and enter the full new email address you want to use as your Apple ID. This must be an address you have access to. Apple will immediately send a 6-digit verification code to the new email inbox. Switch to that inbox, copy the code, and enter it back into your iPhone. Entering this code verifies you are the owner of the new address and confirms a change to your Apple ID. Your Apple ID is now updated, but to prevent sync glitches, you must sign out and sign back in on all your other Apple devices, including your iPad, Mac, and Apple Watch. This ensures all services like iMessage, FaceTime, and the App Store are using your new login credentials. Now that you've learned how to change your iCloud email address, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more Apple video tutorials. Thanks for watching.